Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions of SSC and central government jobs. As you can see, I'd already discussed up to part 63. Please have a look in my playlist. You will get maximum information regarding all the competitive examinations. Let us see what exactly it has been given in the slides. Eco Mark certification is granted by the Bureau of Indian Standards to the products which are environmental friendly. Please remember, guys, what exactly the Ecomark certification. This is granted by the Bureau of Indian Standards to the products which are environmental eco-friendly. For whatever the products which have got the environmental friendly, those products will be marked by the Bureau of Indian Standards. That mark is known as Ecomark certification. The national income of India is estimated mainly through production and income methods. Please remember, guys, our national income of India estimated mainly through production as well as income methods. Then only we can measure the national income of India. Next, we have the saint represented India in the World Congress of Religions at Chicago in 1893 was Swami Vivekananda. We knew that. What is the other name of Swami Vivekananda during the childhood? That is Narendra. So here you can see to the right side how exactly there was a World Congress of Religion at Chicago in 1893. That saint was represented was Swami Vivekananda in the year 1893. The calorimeter is used to measure heat, the quantity of heat. As you can see, what exactly the calorimeter is used, you can see to the right side. It's an insulated device used for measuring the amount of heat absorbed or released in a chemical reaction or physical process. This is what exactly the function of calorimeter. It is used to measure the quantity of heat. Next, we have the vegetable crop with rectangular seed is onion. Please remember, whatever the vegetable crop with rectangular seed, you can have a look how exactly the seed of onion looks like. It is in the shape of rectangle. So that is, you have to search out with the internet. The addition of excessive amounts of heat to a lake is referred to as thermal pollution. So this is what exactly the thermal pollution is. The addition of excessive amounts of heat to a lake is referred as thermal pollution. Next, we have development means economic growth plus social change. That is known as development. What exactly the development means? Economic growth along with the social change is known as development. Next, we have anaerobic are bacteria which can complete their life cycle without oxygen. So here anaerobic means without oxygen, aerobic means with oxygen. So whatever bacteria that can complete their life cycle without oxygen is known as anaerobic. The famous rock garden is located in which place? As you can see to the right side, this is what exactly the rock garden which is there in Chandigarh. So which is a beautiful city. Corbusier, who had designed this Chandigarh city, it's the capital of Punjab as well as Haryana. The fog heavily laden with the smoke is a smog. We knew that. What exactly the content of smog is? Smoke plus fog together is smog. So the fog heavily laden with the smoke is a smog. The missile when projected into the air follows the path is parabolic path. I had already discussed, guys, whatever the missile was released from the plane, that takes parabolic path. So you have to drop that missile before to the location that which the directly hits to the exact location. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends, or you can join me on Defense ICTA Telegram. 1000+ question papers have been given. You can directly go through them. So this is one thing, guys, I just want to tell you that there is a playlist. Please have a look in it. The maximum information will be given in this. More than 1000 question papers have been discussed. Insulin is produced by islets of Langerhans. We knew that insulin is secreted from the pancreas. Here in that pancreas, islets of Langerhans are present. They secrete the insulin. Blood deficiency is referred as anemia. We knew that whatever the anemia, that is a disease in which the deficiency of blood takes place. The most common method of separating hydrocarbon from the petroleum crude is fractional distillation. You can see to the right side how exactly the separation of hydrocarbons takes place by the process of fractional distillation. Here crude oil can be separated by fractional distillation. The oil is evaporated and the hydrocarbon chains of different lengths condense at different temperatures. This is what exactly happens. So fractions with low boiling point condense at the top, fractions with high boiling points condense at the bottom. This is what exactly you have to remember. So you can directly go through whatever the fractional distillation process. The potassium chloride is used in matchstick as an oxidizing agent. We knew that in the matchstick the potassium chloride is used along with the red phosphorus as an oxidizing agent. Next we have the antibodies are formed in lymph nodes. We knew that whatever the lymph nodes we have in our human body, in that lymph nodes antibodies are formed. The most important therapy for cholera is water and electrolyte replacement. So whenever there is a problem with you are suffering with the cholera, it means you have to take electrolyte replacement has to be there. That is the reason why you have to consume electrolyte solution along with the water. Heroin is a derivative of morphine. We knew that whatever the drugs, morphine drugs, ganja, charash, and as you can see heroin, these are all derivatives of one type of morphine drugs. SPF 66 is a malarial vaccine. As you can see to the right side, what exactly the SPF 66 is? It's a malaria vaccine. We knew that whatever the COVID-19, the virus which has come, even we are using the malarial drug for the cure of COVID-19. Next we have AWACS, Airborne Warning and Control System. As you can see, Airborne Early Warning and Control System, which is operated in this aircraft, one of the finest aircraft where you will be having the surveillance. This type of radar is fitted on that. Above you can see how exactly the black color, that is Airborne Early Warning and Control System. Hale-Bopp is the name of comet which was near Earth in 1997. Please remember guys, in the year 1997 there was a comet which was near to the Earth. That comet's name is Hale-Bopp. Please remember, Hale-Bopp was the comet which was near to the Earth in 1997. The animal that is dumb, that is yak. Yak is the one which is dumb and which is huge in shape. Hay fever and asthma belongs to the category of allergies. Please remember what exactly hay fever as well as asthma, these two together are in the category of allergies. The hormone that regulates the basal metabolism in our body is secreted from thyroid. Please remember guys, from the thyroid basal metabolism in our body is secreted. So from the thyroid gland, we knew that is just below to the chin, that is in the neck area. So whatever the hormone, that is basal metabolism in our body is secreted from the thyroid gland. Next we have a characteristic gas smell near the unclean public urinals. That gas is ammonia. Please remember, whatever the gas, we see some small pungent smell near the urinals in the public toilets. So there, because of ammonia, you will have those type of pungent urinal smell. That is very pungent nature. The protein is highest in soya bean. We knew that the soya bean consists of maximum protein content. The layer in which atmosphere temperature of the air increases with height, that is stratosphere. We knew that tropo, strato, these are all layers. Here the layer in which the atmosphere temperature of the air increases with the height is stratosphere. Here, as you can see, bougainvillea plants have attractive colors at their shoots. These represent the development of petals. This is what exactly you have to remember. To the right side, you can see how exactly bougainvillea plant looks like. That have attractive colors at their shoots. These represent the development of petals. The instrument used to study the vibrating string, we knew that whatever the veena, guitar, these are all vibrating strings you will find there. To study the instrument used to study the vibrating string, that is sonometer. That is the one which is used to measure the vibrating string. The potato is an underground modified stem referred to as tubers. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the onion has got the bulb and the potato, which is a modified stem, has got the tubers. So for the onion it will be bulb, for the potato it will be tuber, and for the ginger it will be corm. So these are rhizome for the ginger, and you can directly go through whatever has been given in this. Next we have the term silly point is associated with what? That associated with cricket. The area most susceptible to earthquake is circum-Pacific belt. This is what exactly to remember. The area most susceptible to earthquake, that is circum-Pacific belt. This is my mobile number, guys, 76673025. You can call me or message me. 2100 PDF of GK and GS have been given. Please go through whatever the playlists have been given. And it's a free of cost. There is no charge upon it. You can directly call me or message me. Feel free to call. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.